Okay, hi. I've got a simple foundation wall here, excuse me, with the 8-inch CMU. Now, 8-inch CMU is 8 tall, 8 inches thick, 16 inches wide. So if you want to change this, and there's not a selectable material, we use this tool here. It's called Adjust Material Definition. You click on the material, and I should say this, if you want to create, if you have this in your plan and you want to maintain, if I change this one with this name, it'll change all of them in the plan. So if you want to create a new material, then you have to give it a new name so that you can have 2 CMU blocks in the plan with different dimensions. Okay, thought I'd mention that in the past. Now, this one is 8-inch by 16 as shown with the dimensions I drew. And this controls the pattern. This controls the visual in standard and physically based render cameras. But they both, for any material you change, they both need to be altered. So I usually start with a pattern. And I assume, well, okay. I just thought of something, but I'll get back to that. If you mean 10-inch high, you just change the 8 to a 10. And then you go over here to the texture, and we're not going to retain the aspect ratio because we want this to be show 10 and this to be where it was. So it's a Y scale in this image. Now, what I'm going to do is just decrease this a little bit as a demonstration. So now, see if I can grab that. There we go. Okay, so it was 8-inch tall, now it's 10-inch tall. Let me change the camera type to, see, where's that? There it is. I'm going to change it to standard so I can see the materials. Now, the change I made it smaller. It's still 16 inches wide because I didn't change that. I'm trying to think of an easier way to do this, but I've never needed or tried to do it before. So we're learning together at the same time. Go back here. So go back over here. Yeah, the pattern is working. This isn't working. You try make it larger. See what that does. Okay, that's 10 now 10-inch by whoops. This changed. Anyway, this is a little bit complicated, but it can be done. Try that. I can. I thought I'd do a video because see, we want 10, 16. Yeah, this is supposed to be 16, so that'd be 32. The X scale is 32. Oh, this got checked again. And I didn't notice it. So the X is obviously, if you want it to be 16, would be 32. That's 16 plus 16. Now this, I just realized I want the height at 10, so that'd be 10, 20, 30, 40. Sorry about that. It's been a while since I did this. Using this kind of dimension tool is not very exact, but now, if what you meant, go to plan view. If what you meant is the thickness here, that's what Eric was asking about. This thickness, I think, is 8 inches. Yeah, 8 inches. Well, that's even easier to do. You just open the wall, go to wall types. See, it's 8 inch. I'm going to click on define, and I'm going to copy it and get rid of the copy name and change it to 10 inch. And then you click here, change the thickness from 7 5/8 to 10 inch. So whatever your question, whatever you meant, this should cover all the bases. So if you want to change the size of the block in terms of length and height, I showed you how to do that. And I just showed you how to change the thickness. So this is now, well, dimensions tool is not working. Yeah. So now I made it 10 inches thick. So I hope this helps you one way or another. I'm sorry I've stumbled around a little bit, but that's the way I roll. Thank you for watching.